Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to change your name in Steam, in the name of your account on Steam. So this is an easy process to do. The first step is open your account in Steam, and here when you are in Library, and you need to go to your name here in the superior part of the app, where set your email. You need to click here in the first option. Here said ver mi perfil. In English, this is view my profile. You need to click here. And after that, the only thing you need to do is go to the option of modificar perfil. This is modify or change profile in English. And after that, you need to go to general, and here you can change the name of your profile here or the real name of the account. So you can change any of these two names, and automatically your name in your account is changed for the new name. So this is a process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more